Why Canada study visa gets refused. All official reasons. Intention to leave the country. A study permit is a temporary visa, which means that it has a validity period and an expiration date. In your study permit application, you need to convince the visa officer that you will leave the country when your study permit expires. Proof of financial support. It's easy to prove in non-SDS about financial support but not in SDS category, as you only pay your GIC as proof of financial support. Your choice of study program. Study permit applications are sometimes refused if the visa officer doesn't understand the logic of your choice of program or level of study. You can only choose course related to what you have already studied. Your travel or identity documents. If you don't have a complete record of your travel history, or if your identity documents are unclear, IRCC may refuse your study permit application. No job prospects in the home country. A study permit or a work permit is a temporary residence permit that requires the applicant to intend to leave Canada upon expiry of the permit. Dual intent. A study permit or a work permit is a temporary residence permit that requires the applicant to intend to leave Canada upon expiry of the permit. How to know if these are the reason for my refusal? You can apply GCMS notes from https://applygcmsnotes.ca in $12 for the notes and $30 for file and the full notes.